Welcome to 535 Evergreen Road here in Black Hawk, Colorado. This is a phenomenal D-log, chinkless style log home with a standing seam metal roof. So you've got long life, durability with this design. You've got this massive garage, and we'll get into that a little bit later. You can park, these sellers have parked up to like a 45 foot trailer down in this asphalt driveway. You see the drain there, so you know it takes care of itself, and it's really a phenomenal house. And we're going to step inside and show you even more. And here we are inside 535 Evergreen Road in Black Hawk. This beautiful front door was just installed for your pleasure, and let's just take a quick look around. So a lot of folks do like a coat closet right at the entry, and we do have that. These are amazing new ash hardwood floors. They're the wide plank. Let's get down so we can take a nice good close look at them. They came from hardwood, and they're just gorgeous, and they span the entire lower level here, or main level that we're in. So that's what we've got going here. Quick look over here at this fireplace. It is a gas fireplace, gas log, and these are beautiful moss rocks that go floor to ceiling, as you can tell. So it is just gorgeous. Another feature we think you'll love are these massive log beams that really run the entire 20-foot span, floor to ceiling. We'll tilt up there, and you can kind of see them going, touching the sky, and then reaching all the way down here to the floor. So they are just massive, and we've got two of them here in this vaulted great room. Oh, the other thing that you should take a look at while we're looking up is this tongue and groove ceiling. And yes, those are Bose surround sound speakers there in the ceiling. So that was also recently installed here at 535 Evergreen Road. We'll take a quick walk into the kitchen. One of the things that we just absolutely love is this custom granite. It is almost like textured leather that you can see. I mean, that's just some kind of incredible granite, and it just runs across every surface here in this lovely open kitchen. And the cool thing that we like is that so many of us, when we're at the kitchen sink, we do love to be able to look out the window, and that's what this kitchen allows you to do. So we've just walked inside the master, and it is massive. I mean, almost 18 feet by 18 feet. Again, we've carried the ash hardwood wide plank into this master, and it is just phenomenal. You do have a wonderful walk-in closet that is lots of room, and also carries the vault up with it. And this master suite wouldn't be complete without showing you this master bath. So you've got double sinks that are separated by this great vanity storage, and then wait for it. Look at that shower. It's got this, oh my gosh, 7 foot tall frameless glass, and then just this beautiful tile work here in this bathroom. We're just stepping up into the loft area here, and it is again expansive. Great place for another office, or entertaining, some kind of TV watching or something like that. Just let your imagination run wild. So again, the vaults carry all the way up. You've got lots of great light in here, and it is just a wonderful space. And again, you capture those great views even up here. So it's another fantastic part of this great house here at 535 Evergreen Road. Before we take you to a couple of other great spots in this house, one of the main selling features are these views and this outdoor entertaining space. I mean, this is a wonderful wraparound deck with, oh my gosh, look at those Colorado views. They are just incredible, even if we do have just a tad of cloud cover. You've got a great pergola to block you from some of the sun when it gets a little bit sunny, and it's just fantastic out here. Not sure if we can get down into the yard, but there are some terraced flower gardens down there. You do have, take a quick look over here. We also do have a 8-foot fence, perimeter fence for the pups, and then there's also underneath this deck another fenced-in area for nighttime for your pets. We've kind of saved up what the real kicker, the best part is for last. Now, we've got this laundry room that's on the main level, right here off the kitchen. You've got a separate mudroom entry room. It also exits into the backyard, and then you've got two garage spaces. Wait for it. Oh my gosh, no, we've got 3 garage spaces with plenty of room. This bay being oversized. Wait for it. Oh my goodness, look at this. So you can do anything in this space. I mean, you could park multiple cars, work on them, create some kind of huge workshop, wood shop, storage, whatever you want. And again, up above, there in the rafters, it's even built for additional storage. And again, you've got a couple of different exit doors out, one into the backyard area, one into the side yard. So this is really, I mean, you talk about monster garage, this is a monster garage. So the lower level is filled with all kinds of great features. You've got this massive Jack and Jill bathroom with separate double bowl sinks, newer granite on them. You've got a tub shower, so this is a full bath, folks, for those of you that are looking for that. We've got not 1, not 2, but 3 bedrooms down here, all with egress windows to the outside, so they are fantastic bedrooms for family or guests. And there's a look at a second one. You do have exit, a couple of places to walk out from this walkout lower level, and there's that fencing for that underdeck place for the pup dogs that we were telling you about. And then you've got this other family room that's just phenomenal here that, again, you can let your imagination run wild. So again, lots of light coming in here, which is so unusual for a lower level space. And we've got another bedroom ahead of us. And the other thing that we get so much about, and won't bore you with storage, but this has massive storage here in this great house. And if there's any concern at all, that big box, no, it's not an air conditioner. That's a whole house generator. So it kicks on when the power kicks off.